Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the 3-minute flipping strategy. This is one of the easiest and most powerful strategies that you can use to make consistent profit on IQ option. So let's dive straight into the video to show you how you can use this powerful strategy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our chart type to candlestick. So we're going to remove the trend line to candlestick. So you're going to go to the chart type and select candlestick. So the next thing is to change the candlestick time frame to 1 minute. So we're going to go to the time frame 1 minute. So now we have a 1 minute candlestick, and what this means is every 1 minute we will have a new candlestick. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select our indicators. So you're going to go to the indicator section, indicators. So the first our first indicator is Bollinger bands. So here's Bollinger bands, and select, change the period to 20. Yeah, so click apply. So the next indicator is stochastic oscillator. So you're going to go back to the indicator section, indicator, stochastic. You can search stochastic oscillator. And as you can see, this is the stochastic oscillator. No need to change anything, just leave the default setting and click apply. So this is our indicators. Now we have a stochastic oscillator and we have a Bollinger bands. So we're going to go ahead and add many other assets so that we can have different options or different assets that we can trade with. And so I'm going to go ahead and add many assets. Okay, so as you can see here is a very good moment on AUD USD. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the trade, change my expiration time to 3 minutes, and sell lower. So oh my god, so as you can see I have made a mistake here. It is not 3 minutes, I select 30 minutes, it is even 31 minutes, and that's a huge mistake. So guys, you have to be very careful. You have to be, it's just, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I've made a mistake here. Instead of 3 minutes, I select 30 minutes. But nevertheless, I'll explain why I think if it is 3 minutes or whatever the case, I think it will still possibly be a winning trade. So the current green candle is massive. It has closed 80% of its body outside the upper Bollinger band, and so this is an extreme overextension. And when you look at the resistance level, you can see that the price is hitting a historical psychological ceiling at around 0.6869 or something like that. So you can notice the small red rejection wick up above the candle. It is starting to form at the very top, and see that the stochastic lines are at around 92, and that is deep in the overbought zone as well, and they're just starting to cross downward. And this is the reason why, this confirms that the buyers have run out of gas, and sellers will come in and take control of the market. And this is why we think this will be a winning trade, and this is why we sell on AUD USD. And but nevertheless, I'm gonna wait and see what's gonna happen in the next couple of minutes, but hopefully we will win this trade. So as you can see, even though we have made a mistake of entering at the wrong time frame, but still we managed to win the trade. So 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, we have won the trade, and that's great. But guys, you have to be very careful. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for another entry. But yeah. Okay, so here's another good moment on GBP USD. I'm gonna go ahead and change the time frame. This time I have to be very careful. 3-minute sell. So as you can see, I've entered. I have sell GBP USD for 3 minutes, but this time around I was very careful, and I did not make any mistake. So I'll explain why I think this will be a winning trade, even though you can see that we are clearly winning the trade. But nevertheless, I'm gonna explain why I think this will be a winning trade. When you look at the chart clearly, you can see that the large the green candles, or the 2 green candles, but the last large green candle tried to spike toward the upper red Bollinger band, but it declined. So you can see the upper wick started to form, and so this indicates that the sellers are already defending that level. But not just that, but when you look at the stochastic oscillator, you can see that the stochastic oscillator is currently at around the 80 line, and is starting to move down, or to move in a downward direction. And so this proves that the buyers have run out of gas. And so after the last 2 candles, the green candles, you can see that the buyers have run out of gas, and so we have a large red candle going in a downward direction. And so this is the clear signal that the market would go down, or will continue to go down in the next 3 minutes. And so that's why we sell here on GBP USD, and we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen in the next couple of seconds. Three, two, one. So we have won this trade. We're gonna go ahead and look for another entry. It's another good entry on NZD/USD. So I'm gonna go ahead and change time frame. Oh wow, I made another mistake here again. Instead of 3 minutes, I enter 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter 3 minutes again. So 3 minutes. The reason why I sell again for 3 minutes is because, not just because I'm confident that this will be a winning trade, but also because we have entered 5 minutes. So if we won, you might think it's because we enter for 5 minutes, or if we lose, we might take that as an excuse. So I want us to to win the trade. If we win or we lose, whatever the case, we have entered the right time frame. So that's why I enter again. But I'm pretty sure that we're gonna win this trade. I mean, now as you can see, the market clearly, the market is going down. Wow, that's massive. But I'm gonna explain why I think this will be a winning trade in the first place. Yeah. Okay, so when you look at the chart clearly, you can see that the price attempted a rally toward the orange middle Bollinger band, but it failed. And so you can see that the candle has closed as a red inverted hammer. And whenever you see that, you have to know that, or you should know that it is a classical signal that sellers have taken control of the market. But also when you look at the stochastic oscillator, you can see that the stochastic has crossed the 50 midpoint and it's now reversing downward, or it's now returning to move in a downward direction. So it failed to reach the level 80 or the overbought line, which shows that there is extreme weakness in the buying momentum and that sellers has taken control of the market. And as you can clearly see that we are winning the trade. So yeah, we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen in the next couple of seconds. Yeah, that's a massive victory. We have won all the trades. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you our trading history. We have managed to make it to $106. That's great. This is our trading history, and as you can see, we have won all the trade. We have won all our trade. Yeah, this is amazing. But I'm gonna show you something. So stick to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you my Telegram channel, because all these trades that I take, I have sent them all to my Telegram channel. And as you can see, yeah, let me go to the Telegram channel. Yeah, and as you can see, this is my Telegram channel, and as you can see, I have sent all the signals to my Telegram channel. So if you are not in my Telegram channel, you are missing on a lot of very good winning signals. And I used to send all the signals to my Telegram channel. So if you want to join my free Telegram channel, click the link in my bio. You can join for absolutely free. It is free to join, and you can get all my signals for absolutely free. But I'm about to close the Telegram channel, so if you're not in my Telegram channel, you have to join right now. And yeah, that's it. So thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.